Setting sun approaching for its turn to rest. Long enough to promise.
Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and before we begin the video, I'm giving away $75. To enter this $75 giveaway, you need to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment on this video. So let's begin guys. A new challenge is about to start in 20 hours and 7 minutes. The 2v2 Mega Knight Double Elixir Draft Challenge. So at 3 wins we get 30 commons, at 5 wins 10 rares, at 7 wins 2 epics, and at 9 wins the grand prize a legendary chest. So this challenge name is Mega Knight Challenge cause the Mega Knight is releasing at the same time, and for those who could not get the Mega Knight in the Mega Knight Challenge some time ago, they have a chance to get it now. So I'm gonna give you some tips through which you can go get to 9 wins in this challenge and get the grand prize of the legendary chests. So let's begin guys. Okay guys, so the first tip is always wait for your partner to choose his 4 cards first, then you can choose according to what he has already chosen and given to the opponent. Like if your partner has taken a golem, then and has given opponent an Inferno Dragon, and you have an Electro Wizard choice, you need to choose Electro Wizard to tackle with that Inferno Dragon. So that's what I am telling. The second tip is always choose the giant skeleton with any choice, cause when it dies it gives that giant bomb which can clear big pushes. Like if there is elite barbarians and a very big push coming at you, you can just use one giant skeleton, and after it dies the giant bomb will kill everything. The third tip is always choose splash cards like Executioner or the Wizard, cause in the 2v2 opponent attacks in group, and to take out that group, Wizard and Executioner are great. Then the next tip is always choose big spells like Fireball, Rocket, Lightning, cause if the opponent uses a spawner deck, then this thing would be very helpful. The next thing is to not choose attacking defense like X-Bow or Mortar, cause they do not work good in a 2v2 battle. Picking up a Tornado will be great in the meta, cause you can tornado everything and your opponent can use a Fireball, which is pretty great to take out big pushes. Using Elixir Collector is not recommended, cause one of the opponents will surely have any spell which can damage you like Poison or Fireball. Using the Log, Zap and all are good, cause they can fight great against spawner decks. Another tip is to not choose 3 muskets or anything like that, cause one of the opponents might have Fireball or anything. So that's some tips I wanted to give you for the challenge, guys. Hope you do very well in the challenge, and I will upload how far I made it in this challenge right as soon as this challenge is launched and as soon as possible. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I put a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Meet you until next time.